What you're seeing here is often described to us by customers as being a broken cable, which, to be fair, it looks like that. The cable is out of the drum, it has no tension on it, it's just hanging there limp. But in all actuality, the real problem with this is the customer has a broken spring on the garage door. Whenever you have a single spring setup on the door and the spring breaks, the cables go limp. They don't always break, they're just out of their correct positioning. So if someone tries to sell you cables with a broken spring, make sure that you see they're actually broken.